poverty, struggles, and all that falls under the category. It is a big, big business, a ginormous gain for many. Food's been made in laboratories. When are you going to look at your feet? When are you going to go on your knees and touch the ground? Give love to the earth that will feed you. Give love to the mind that is you. Give love to the power that you are. Names and names, centuries after centuries are being used. Mandela, Luther, Malcolm, a whole lot more. Foundations are made under these names for benefit and gain. Governments, every one of these companies, an entity is in control of them, in control of you. O tshwere ke tlala, JS hunger. O lava ku ja. Feed your mind, understand you, harness your skills, harness the talent that you are God-given, awaken the God inside of you. Come now, child. Come now. Awaken. Stop using these names and stop gaining from these names. And when the names don't feed you anymore, you are angry. Now foundations will be opened with the name of Zinzi Mandela. Let people go. Let people rest in peace and own yourself. In that way, you can respect the other leaders that are trying to help. And you can try to lead yourself. No, better yet, don't even try. Lead yourself. Believe in yourself. If you have to live in a little shack, be it. Own that shack. Plant around that shack. Put a fence around that shack. A little sweet picket fence. Put some flowers. Plant a tree. And then you can use that soil to make bricks. And next thing you know, you have a beautiful home that you've been dreaming of. You are a tourist on this earth. Explore. Live. Trust. Stop the dependency. Be thankful. Be mindful. Be kind to you. I love you. I love you. Now it's time to love you. Love yourself unconditionally, freely, beautifully, and forevermore. Be respectful.